हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट चैनल फिजिक्स पाठशाला। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ वेक्टर्स। नाउ ऑल वेक्टर्स कैन बी categorized into major two categories. One is our polar vectors and other vectors are axial vectors. Polar vectors are those vectors they have start point or they have initial starting point. Axial vectors are vectors, those represent rotational motion, rotational effect, that represent rotational effect and act along axis of rotation. That means all vectors that have initial starting point, that means they have a starting point and direction, those vectors are termed as polar vector. जिन जिन वेक्टर्स के इनिशियल स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है उसको बोलेंगे पोलर वेक्टर्स, और जो वेक्टर्स दैट रिप्रेजेंट रोटेशनल इफेक्ट और रोटेशनल मोशन of any object will be saying these term vectors are axial vectors, and their direction of axial vectors should be along axis of rotation. These are angular displacement, angular velocity, angular acceleration. If object is rotating in a circular path, the path is circular, then it will extend an angle theta at its center. This theta is angular displacement, and direction of this angular displacement is perpendicular to the plane or along the axis. Axis is perpendicular to the plane of motion. Suppose object is moving on this board, then axis is perpendicular to this board and direction of this quantities angular displacement is along axis. Angular velocity omega, that is theta by t, that also along the axis of this rotation. Angular acceleration alpha is equal to, can say omega by t or d omega by dt. Here in that case, we say omega is equal to d theta by dt. Then this angular acceleration has its direction along axis of the rotation. These type of vectors are termed as axial vectors. Now, let us study different types of polar vectors. If two vectors are directed in a particular direction or their direction is same, these vectors are termed as parallel vectors. Parallel vectors. That means angle between them is 0 degree. Parallel vectors are those vectors whose angle between them is 0 degree. That means parallel vectors are those vectors which have same direction, or vectors having same direction or in opposite direction. Vectors are in same direction or exactly in opposite direction. Theta may be 0 degree or theta may be 180 degree. Then these two vectors will be termed as parallel vectors. In parallel vectors, if they have same direction, now in this case they have same direction, and in this case they have different direction. If they have same direction, theta is equal to 0 degree, we say these vectors are like vectors. If they are in opposite direction and angle between them is 180 degree, they are parallel vectors but unlike parallel vectors. These are called unlike parallel vectors. When two vectors are in same direction and angle between them is 0 degree, we say like parallel vectors. And when theta is equal to 180 degree or they are directed in opposite directions, then these two vectors are termed as unlike parallel vectors. अभी हमारे पास जो पोलर वेक्टर्स था, पोलर वेक्टर्स से पहला है कि पैरेलल वेक्टर्स क्या है, जब दो वेक्टर सेम डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, नहीं तो एक दूसरे का ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, तो इसको बोलेंगे वेक्टर्स आर इन पैरेलल। जब एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 0 डिग्री, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे लाइक पैरेलल वेक्टर्स। जब ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है और एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 180 डिग्री, तो उसको बोलेंगे ऑन लाइक पैरेलल वेक्टर्स। तो नाउ इट इज क्लियर, one is like parallel vector and other is unlike parallel vector। जब like parallel vector है and they have same length और उसे magnitude is same, डायरेक्शन तो सेम है ही है और मैग्नीट्यूड जब सेम हो गया तो उसको बोलेंगे, अब जो लाइक पैरेलल वेक्टर्स था वो बन जाएगा इक्वल वेक्टर्स। नाउ इट बिकेम इक्वल वेक्टर्स। तो क्या हो गया, जब एंगल बिटवीन देम इज थीटा इसको 0 डिग्री और मैग्नीट्यूड सपोज एक वेक्टर ए है और वेक्टर बी है, दोनों के जो लेंथ और मैग्नीट्यूड बराबर है, तो हम ये बोलेंगे बोथ द वेक्टर्स ए एंड बी आर इक्वल। पहला केस में सपोज ये एक वेक्टर था, दूसरा वेक्टर बी था, ए और बी वर लाइक पैरेलल। अदर केस में एक वेक्टर ए था, दूसरा वेक्टर बी था, ए एंड बी वर अनलाइक पैरेलल। अभी तीसरा केस क्या हुआ, लाइक पैरेलल था, मैग्नीट्यूड सेम होने के नाते ये बन गया इक्वल वेक्टर्स। नाउ if both vectors are parallel and opposite, they are in opposite direction to each other और theta is equal to 180 degree, तो ये क्या है, unlike parallel vector। whereas if their magnitude, suppose vector A, vector B are in opposite direction and magnitude is equal to A magnitude is equal to vector B magnitude, तो उस केस में these two vectors will be negative vectors। These will become negative vectors। That means A is negative of B और B vector is negative of A, एक दूसरे का नेगेटिव वेक्टर। इसका मतलब जब मैग्नीट्यूड लेंगे, मैग्नीट्यूड इज सेम, डायरेक्शन इज ऑपोजिट, देन these two vectors are termed as negative vectors. That means vectors which have equal magnitude but opposite direction are called negative vectors. अभी पहले हमारे पास था like parallel vectors, unlike parallel vectors. like parallel vector बन गया equal vector और unlike parallel vector बन गया negative vector. कुछ वेक्टर्स है जहां पर कॉमन रहेगा, सपोज दे हैव कॉमन इनिशियल पॉइंट्स, तो इसको बोलेंगे को इनिशियल वेक्टर्स. को इनिशियल वेक्टर्स, दोज वेक्टर्स हैविंग कॉमन इनिशियल पॉइंट्स. सपोज एक वेक्टर ये है, उसका इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड वेक्टर बी का इनिशियल पॉइंट सेम है, तो दिस टू वेक्टर्स वी से आर को-इनिशियल वेक्टर्स. हो सकता है एक और वेक्टर है C and all have same initial point. That means they have same initial points. Means they have same start point. Or tail of each vector is मीटिंग एट ए पॉइंट, सपोज को. तो इस सारे वेक्टर्स को बोलेंगे को इनिशियल वेक्टर्स. जब सारे वेक्टर्स दे आर इन सेम लाइन, दे आर इन सेम लाइन, सपोज वेक्टर ए, वेक्टर बी, वेक्टर सी, दे आर इन ए सिंगल लाइन और दे आर लीनियर. That means the vectors lying on the same line are known as collinear vectors. Collinear vectors. Collinear vectors. Circle. That means if vectors are in same line, it may be in same direction, that is it may be parallel or it may be anti-parallel. It may be parallel vectors or it may be anti-parallel vectors, but they are lying in a same line. That means they are acting on a same line, तो उस वेक्टर्स को बोलेंगे कोलिनियर वेक्टर्स. कोलिनियर वेक्टर्स. इफ वेक्टर्स आर एंडिंग एट ए common point, then these vectors are called as concurrent vectors. Concurrent vectors. Correct? If vectors are lying in same plane, suppose all are lying in same plane, means on this board, then all these vectors, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, then this type of vectors are termed as coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors. That is, vectors lying on same plane are called coplanar vectors. Now we had co-initial vectors, we had collinear vectors, we had concurrent vectors, then we had coplanar vectors. एक और टाइप वेक्टर्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज जीरो और नॉल वेक्टर. जो वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड जीरो है, सपोज ए वेक्टर ए, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड इज जीरो, इट हैज ओनली डायरेक्शन. नॉल वेक्टर का क्या हो गया, मैग्नीट्यूड जीरो, means it has only direction. तो सच टाइप ऑफ वेक्टर्स जिनका केवल डायरेक्शन है, मैग्नीट्यूड जीरो है, तो those vectors are termed as zero or null vectors. Zero or null vectors. The example is displacement, velocity,
Incoming voice call from Matt Sir.
and acceleration. And
Incoming voice call from Matt
acceleration
Sir.
of a particle at rest.
Incoming voice call from Matt Sir. Incoming voice call from Matt Sir.